So welcome back to my channel, and in this video you will be seeing me create this beautiful makeup look. It was inspired by the movie Black Panther, and if you haven't seen it, you should definitely go out and see it. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I already have my eyebrows done and I already have my lids primed. So for this look, I'm definitely feeling more like natural earthy tones. In the film, the women have really beautiful, like their makeup is beautifully done because like it looks like them, like it looks like their natural features are really enhanced. It looks so clean, so smooth. So that's the look that I'm going for here. And I'm gonna use a lot of like browns and like orangey, like earthy tones, because I feel like those will look really good on my skin. And like also with each woman in the film, like, you know, it was what looked good on her. Done, I'm going to now finish off the eye look, because you know I didn't even do everything I wanted to do with it yet, you know what I'm saying? So take some black eyeliner, and that black eyeliner is literally just going normal right in the waterline. Nothing different about that. You know, of course I drew my face a little bit, but it's okay. Now we're going into this Morphe 35B palette, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this really bright orange right here, and we're gonna put that on our, like, under our eye and smoke that out with like the black eyeliner that's under there. Okay, so now that the makeup is done, we are still not done, because my favorite part of the Black Panther was like the warrior scenes and how all the beautiful women, well, and men, have the white like war markings or like, you know, paintings on their face. So that's what I want to do. I have this white eyeliner from Stila. So yeah, I'm gonna use that to draw my little war lines. Alright, so here we have the final look of my Black Panther inspired makeup look. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.